Dashcam not recording in your CX-5? Here's how to fix it fast. First, check the dashcam's power cable. Loose connections are a top culprit. Make sure it's plugged into the dashcam and the car's power port. If your dashcam uses a fuse, inspect it. A blown fuse is an easy, cheap fix. Next, test your car's power outlet. Plug in your phone charger or another device. If that doesn't work either, you might have a blown car fuse. Check your owner's manual for the fuse box location and swap out the fuse if needed. Still nothing? Try a different SD card. Sometimes a full or corrupted card can freeze the dashcam. Reformat or replace the card, then restart your dashcam. If your dashcam powers on but won't record, check the settings in the dashcam menu. Make sure record is enabled and storage isn't full. Last resort? Try a hard reset. Most dashcams have a small reset button. If you've tried all this and your Mazda CX-5 dashcam still isn't working, it might be time to contact Mazda support or a dashcam specialist. Stay safe and keep recording.